beautiful Corvette. Check it out. All right, guys, so we got a 2008 Chevy Corvette. Beautiful vehicle. V8. What we got done on it, let me show you. So it's still got factory converter. Secondary converters there. There are converters. They're not glass packs. They are converters, guys. Then an X pipe right after. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues up and over the rear end. And then what we did is install 2 Black Widow Angry Housewives right there and right there. Part number BWAHW30-C. There'll be a link in the description for them right there. And then finished it off with some 4-inch Natami black tips right there. Came out not staggered, flush cut right there. 4-inch quads. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. Fully custom. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it right there. Junk. Anyways, and we replaced them. There you go, as you guys can see. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Got a clean idle to it. Wow. Black Widow. Black Widow Angry Housewives. Earlier. We're right at 98 to 100, around there. So not crazy loud, just clean. Yeah, it's very nice. Sorry for the construction, guys. Never ends. Nashville's growing. Sexy convertible Corvette. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sexy tips, Black Widow, Angry Housewives. Top is coming off. Perfect weather for it today too, guys. Perfect. Because it's really gravelly here.
Yeah,
Man, that sucker flies. Wow.